following this course. When are you graduating? When are you like stop? So good morning, guys. The lighting is bad here. I don't know why, but Abigail is sleeping in the room, so I don't want to wake her up. But anyway, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. My name is Precious Omlikotsi. In my life, I'm going for an event, and then I'm going to go to my cousin's graduation party. But yeah, guys, let me bath and then get ready because I don't even know what I'm wearing. I feel like I'm already late for everything, and yeah. So why do I always look so weird and ugly on camera? There's no lighting. Like, look at my lip also. I had like a sore and then I kind of scratched it off. Look at this. Tsala.
Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city.
I'm so embarrassed. I'm actually so late. It's 12:21, girl.
That's a change of circumstance. Not only for you, but for your breadwinners and for your social life, economic life, every single aspect of your life. Sit down, in the most respectful way, and with not just the party you want to discuss the issue. Because when you do that in African context, things are not similar. Right? You just want to talk to the whole group, even the only single person. So they are there and they also contribute and say, actually, yeah, we did notice things, which help rather than the individuals, maybe this is where your social anxiety, they're now supporting you. So when you give you social anxiety, because now it's coming, it's now also, you think you can raise a child, take their feedback, are they going to be attacking you? You won't lose it and then to hit it different. So you don't want to.
We have a social media that allows the public to put their information and incorporate it into the club, either as a member or as a transition that happens from you being in Tsala. There's a lot of difference between making change in the community. You find that's very what's the old. So as a reaction to come up with our own idea, creating volunteering opportunities and promoting service in the community and just building your professionalism as a young person. So it's a platform for that. So I'd like to take this moment to express my gratitude and appreciation to the professional development committee for taking their time, their efforts, and their energy are well recognized into bringing this seminar to life. I know it's been in the mix and it was planning for quite a long time, and I'd also like to recognize that it's a new committee.
Join in, women.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wame. And yeah, that's it. Yes, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
This clicks is fancy.
Cause you're calling off for me. You're always going on and on.
You got you got na. Oh yeah, bet your stars pull the skies, yeah. Look at this. Why you smiling?
Ano le tsena mo tseleng tlhamalela mo tseleng go na le dilo go na le hampo.
Kinna. Kinna tuna. Mama ni. Mama ni.
Guys, I'm just in the bathroom. Family gets me so nervous. Like uncles, aunties, they're all here, and I'm just so nervous. But congratulations, cousin. We have a doctor in our family, Augustus. Can't even speak. We have a doctor in our family, so put some respect on my name.
Yeah, Maman. Baru kali. Kopi awak jangan bu. Dulu dengan tangga demikian baik. Mali palo abantu. Palo mudomo.
And I can hear them saying my name outside. Now I'm so tired, guys. I've been cooking, I've been doing stuff. I'm tired. What now when I catch you? I don't know. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired, and my socks are torn. I don't know who's gonna walk in here and see my socks. I want to take a nap before I go home. My ride, still enjoying some, and buying the meat. But I'm gonna clean up, man. After we eat the meat, that's when we're gonna go home. So I'm follow tight. Good night. That's it for me for the day, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Congratulations to my cousin, and congratulations to all the other graduates. You guys deserve it. You guys, please work hard on the school thing. So congratulations, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I don't get copyrighted because of the sound of me outside. But bye, guys. See you soon. When God created water, He ate. Someone who committed suicide in school, guys. One thing about my God, He never fails me. Give it up for God.